Hi, and thanks for your interest in Games for Talking. So you received this email with your free sample with access to 15 lessons. Remember, you can upgrade anytime for full access to over 90 lessons by clicking this blue box here. Well, you've already started watching this video, so I will show you how to click and save the sample link. This is the link that you will share with all of your students. You only need to do this one time, so I will show you how. At the top of the page there is a URL. You simply highlight the URL and press Command C or Apple C, and this will copy the URL address. If you use Google Classroom, you will simply go to your Google Classroom class, example 1.1, and you will announce to your class using this box here that there is a new link to check out. Then you will add the link via this box here and add the link by pasting in here. Then you will send to all your students. The students will then open the Games for Talking sample, and if they are level 1, you will tell all the students to touch the number 1 box. The students will touch this box here, and today we are doing lesson 5, Do You Like? So students, please touch number 5, Do You Like? You will then play the activity, and the next week they can simply go to their Games Talking link one more time and open up any activity. Before the class, it's a good idea to understand the activity instructions. So in the email, if you go to box number 3, you will click to view and save the PDF script. So here, click this box and it will open up a PDF classroom script. The first page is just an introduction. The second page shows the icons, and the third and fourth page give instructions on some techniques that we use. The next pages show level 1, level 2 and level 3 English and Japanese grammar points, so you can discuss this with your teacher. Well, today we are going to be teaching level 1, lesson 5, Do You Like? So we go to level 1 and we look at here, level 1, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, Do You Like? All the black words are what you hopefully will say in class to make this class run smoothly. It's just an idea for you. The red words are just indications for the teacher to help them along their way. Example, point to the dialogue. You don't say the red words. Here shows how many people are needed to play the game. And here is an indication of the time needed for each lesson. Keep this in your email, or you can save this PDF to your desktop, and for each lesson you can read it, and it's a good idea to have it printed out for easy access and maybe take to the classroom with you. And remember, anytime you can access all 90 lessons and the script that contains 90 lessons by clicking here. If you do click here and you are thinking about upgrading, it will go back to the website so we can give you all the information one more time. And at the bottom, it shows the links to each of the plans. Plan 50, 1 to 50 students. Plan 100, 51 to 100 students. And unlimited is 101 or more students. And this gives you access to over 90 activities with Games for Talking. Well, thanks for listening and enjoy your sample and contact us anytime to upgrade to the 90 lessons. Enjoy.